When using your mirrors, remember that linear perspective can be misleading. This is apparent when maneuvering a vehicle on or off a truck scale. While looking in your driver's side mirror, linear perspective can create an optical illusion. The scale rails may appear to angle inward, making you feel crooked even when you are straight. To correct this, drivers often mistakenly steer left, causing a collision with the barrier. This same illusion applies when backing onto a scale. The perspective can make you feel misaligned, leading you to steer right and into the scale barrier. You cannot perceive the illusion directly. You can only recognize its presence and that it makes you drift out of alignment. Stay focused on keeping the truck aligned with the trailer when backing. Pick a target. Whatever is lined up with the trailer's edge marks its final destination. If a target isn't available, due to distance or an open roadway, the best you can do is anticipate the drift and compensate accordingly. Generally, a quarter turn of counter steering every 12 feet is sufficient to maintain alignment. Relying solely on steering toward the problem will lead to chasing the trailer, which could potentially result in a crash.
Write your answers in the comments below.
Follow for more videos.